Hello, how are you doing? If you're continuing this tutorial till now, it's really great because you will be doing very well in Python. So let me reintroduce myself. I am Amin Buluma and I am working on these tutorials and I'm trying to really make some great content on this channel. So please, if you're not subscribed, please do so, subscribe and just subscribe and say, okay, I subscribed, and just share your feedback with the audience. It would be really nice, it would be really appreciated. Okay, next forward, it's errors and exceptions in Python. If you see, errors are really something that comes to you, let's say, every time you use a programming language. And here we can see one of the most basic errors is the syntax error. For example, here we have a syntax error is that here we write the while loop like this. You just probably I won't run this one because I would have too much, but I would use something like this. And here we can let's say correct this error. So this is, for example, what is a syntax error. A syntax error can be something really basic. For example, the print function in Python 2 was something like this, but now it causes a syntax error.